So now what we're going to do is add another row of 4 tiles to make another row or another array. So how many rows of tiles do we have now? Get ready. Yes, 3. And how many tiles are in each row? Get ready. 4. Good. So now we have 3 rows of 4 tiles. This is a 3 by 4 array. Okay? So we can count all these tiles up to find the answer, or we can just multiply our 3 by 4, which equals, get ready, 12. Good, and we can check our work by going back over and counting the tiles together. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.